Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2012 Honda Shadow Phantom. 750 cc's of Vtwin power, fuel injected, liquid cooled shaft drive, really cool matte black finish. 21,000 miles on this awesome Phantom 750. Come on by, check it out, make your cruiser dreams come true for just $39.99. This thing only has a 25-inch seat height, real easy for people who don't have the longest legs. Come on, make your motorcycle dreams come true at Contra Costa Powersports. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.